Sugar Daddy Slim, baby. Talk to you. Work out some things. Know what I'm saying? Ass fat, waist snatch. Damn, look at that. Prada bucket hat with them Prada boots to match. Heard she got her OnlyFans, I'ma support your queen. Had to her ass be like damn when she hit the scene. Attitude rude, now she don't want you, dude. Only thing'll make her smile is a good plate of food. Steak 48 in Houston is my weekly stops. Graces for brunches, world mimosas, yeah, that hit the spot. Let's pick a drop when it's hot and hit a couple blocks. I can show you new things if you just ride and watch. Watch out for haters, I got many cause they can't compete. Let's level up and leave them, make them all obsolete.
Here you are standing there, knocking on my door, looking so good. So good, just can't ignore.
She said Dior her, don't bore her, and she'll act right. I ain't God, baby, but I'm tryna bless your life. She keep me smiling, so she smiling, shit, it's only fair. Plus, when you getting this kind of paper, you don't really care. And she share, find friends, often come visit. I'm tryna do it big, like the homie Hefner did it. And she with it, stay ready, setting up the plate. She love when her boss live life the boss way. Here to stay, so real and cook a mean meal. They don't make them like this no more, you gotta see her. When she say she wanna play, I say you got a deal. Been a few years and she still ain't switch on me still.